Okay, whilst everyone's been talking about ChatGPT and all the cool stuff that you can do with AI, Microsoft has quietly released a preview of an application called Microsoft Loop. Now, it's picked or pegged as a potential Notion killer app. Now, if you've ever seen Notion or know what that's about, then you'll know what I'm talking about. What we're sort of seeing with this particular app is it's taking the concept of OneNote, or where OneNote was or is at the moment, and making it more accessible, increasing its flexibility and making it more portable, if you like. So you got this idea of workspaces and different topics and everything that you can talk about, similar to what you can do with OneNote. Where Loop really comes in its own is its ability for collaboration. You create these lightweight components and you stick it on a page and you just start creating stuff, right? So you can put task lists, you can put tables, images, a whole bunch of stuff. Where, unlike OneNote, where it actually supports handwritten stuff, Loop doesn't do that. This is more about creating a space for you and your colleagues to work together on things. So it was actually announced last year that Loop was coming, and Microsoft teased about what this application would be like. You know, the concept would be is that you would book a meeting, forget about the agenda, just book a Loop component with an empty space in there, and then after everyone starts accepting that particular meeting, we can dynamically, in all the people that are invited to that meeting, dynamically update the agenda and any other topics that it might be. So instead of sending emails backwards and forwards, you'd be able to see the changes live, right? How cool is that? Focus on sending out the message, booking in the time, and then worry about the agenda and update that later. Something got missed, just go and update it. Now, we internally have been using this in chat messages inside of Teams. Add a component, we'll go work together in terms of co-creating with my team around some of the messaging that I'd like to be able to put out into the world. And this is the cool thing. This is what it can do. But that was contained within a chat message, and sometimes you'd have to pin it, otherwise it would disappear in the message and you wouldn't see it again. Now with the Loop app, it's now available in workspaces, right? Which means that it's nice and accessible. There's actually an application when you load into the app so that it actually has a shortcut on your desktop, similar to what you can do with Office 365 and other progressive web applications. There's a mobile app, so darn popular, it's only on test pilot, it's already not available and it's full in terms of the beta. Hopefully Microsoft will be able to release this soon. Yeah, there's been a few little teething problems. It is in preview, but ultimately, having a look at what this thing can do, it will change the way we collaborate. Now, remember AI? We started talking about ChatGPT and all that sort of stuff. Well, the technology behind that, Microsoft announced the week before. Yeah, there's a lot coming around Copilot. So you'll be able to at Copilot inside of a Loop page and ask Copilot to help create that. So at Copilot, go and grab a file and attach the file and that link to your file. Use it as the basis for creating something else to create widgets on your page, or components as they call them, to be able to do other things. So if you haven't seen it and you have Microsoft 365, go to loop.microsoft.com today, check it out. If, however, you are blocked, i.e., because you're in a company, has to be enabled, give us a shout, or check out all the instructions that you can Google online on how to enable that within your business. Failing that, try with your Microsoft personal account and you'll be in and start playing. So go check out Loop today, give it a go, and see how it can change the way you collaborate.